Hey guys, so quick video for you. If you have the Hamilton Beach Blender and it's not working right now for you, there are multiple things that you can try. I don't know which version you got, to be honest, but first thing, just completely unplug it and let it cool off. Maybe if you like mixing a lot of stuff for a long period of time, you will like overheat the motor, and this has been my experience that I had to like let it cool off. So completely unplug it and leave it for about 1 hour, 2 hours. This is the first thing. The second thing, check all the blades and check all the, when you have this, the cover, so everything should be like locked in. So what I would do, I would try to like clean it. So if you can like open it, clean everything thoroughly, if there can be like issue with that. So this is another thing that you can try to do, but primarily they try to completely unplug it and plug it back in. Maybe it's going to help to fix the issue for you. So yeah, and then if the motor has the issue, then you need to buy a replacement. So that's another thing. So have a great day and goodbye.